Meaning of Defender of the Faith.
Defender of the faith.
Defender of the Faith.
Defender of the faith.
Defender of the faith. Defender of the Faith is a title given to the English monarch and originally granted by the Pope in recognition of Henry VIII's defense of Catholicism. However, after the English Reformation, the title was removed from all monarchs who were no longer loyal to the Catholic Church. In 1544, Henry VIII was officially declared the Defender of the Faith by Parliament, but over time the title came to represent the monarch's role as head of the Church of England. Today, the title is still used by the British monarchy, although its meaning has evolved over time.